Hello everybody, a very good morning. Today the day is 4th of April 2019 and we are starting the day today with a visit to the famous Jahaz Mahal, the ship palace in Mandu. They call it ship palace because this building looks like a ship, and on the two sides of this building are two artificial lakes or water reservoirs. This is one side, this is a reservoir. So the sultans who built Mandu, rather built this Jahaz Mahal, they created these two reservoirs, which was basically the water to be used for drinking purpose later on after the rainy season is over. So since the water is on two sides, rather on three sides, and the building is right in the middle of the two or three reservoirs. One in front is also a small reservoir. There are two are the main water tanks along which this Mahal has been constructed. So that's why they call it Jahaz Mahal or the ship palace. So quite well preserved, I must say, by the ASI. Neat and clean. This is not the tourist season, it's an off season, so not many people are around. But we are lucky to have with us our guide, Mr. Mohammad Qureshi. Here he is. Qureshi साहब, अस्सलाम वालेकुम.
गुड मॉर्निंग सर.
हाँ, बताइए इसके बारे में कुछ हमारे फैमिली के लिए, मेरे बच्चों के लिए.
और बच्चों के लिए बता रहा हूँ कि मैंने आपको थोड़ी देर पहले इस मांडू के बारे में इतिहास बताया था
जी.
ये जो सामने पैलेस है, ये बहुत ही फेमस पैलेस है मांडू का
जी.
ये जहाज महल है और ये जो बिल्डिंग्स है दो लेक के मिडिल में है
जी.
बैक साइड में सर मुंज टैंक और ये फ्रंट में कपूर टैंक है.
ओके.
मैंने देखा है आज से 20 से 25 साल पहले इतनी बारिश होती थी कि फ्रंट वाले लेक का पानी या रोड तक आता था. और दिस बिल्डिंग लुक्स लाइक वाटर बोट.
ओह, आई सी.
इसलिए हम लोग जहाज महल बोलते हैं.
ओके.
और इस पैलेस के सामने जो लॉन आप लोग देख रहे हैं, मैंने देखा है 20-25 साल पहले
जी.
यहाँ पे वाटर फिल्ट्रेशन प्लांट था.
हाँ.
और ये स्मॉल कंपार्टमेंट थे, जिस कंपार्टमेंट के अंदर हमेशा लोग चारकोल यूज किया करते थे.
ओके.
और बैक साइड वाला और ये फ्रंट वाले लेक का जो पानी है,
हाँ जी.
वो समर में वाटर सर्कुलेशन किया करते थे पर्शियन व्हील के थ्रू.
ओके.
उसके पीछे उनकी सोच और लॉजिक ये था
हाँ.
कि कूलिंग एंड क्लीनिंग, पानी साफ रहे, बिल्डिंग ठंडा रहे.
ओके.
तो अभी हम लोग शुरुआत इसके बैक साइड से करने वाले हैं. उधर से देखने के बाद में फिर हम लोग यहाँ आएंगे.
थैंक यू वेरी मच कुरैशी साहब, ने बहुत अच्छे से एक्सप्लेन किया. आई होप एवरीबडी लाइक्स इट. I am right on the rooftop of Jahaz Mahal in the historical city of Mandu in Madhya Pradesh. This building, rather this entire complex in which Jahaz Mahal is located, is the showpiece location of Mandu. This was started by the Maratha kings, its construction, and finished by one sultan about 500-600 years ago. Now this building is called Jahaz Mahal because it looks like a ship. On two sides of the building are two water reservoirs in which the kings, the sultans, used to store water. One can see water this side, and then there was another water reservoir, an artificial lake on this side as well. This is at the moment dry. Here it is. So right in the middle is this building. So that's why it's called Jahaz Mahal. But this is not the only building to be seen here. We hired a very competent guide, Mr. Qureshi. Is talking to Sushila right now. He showed us some very, very interesting places at the back side of Jahaz Mahal. One can see a portion of the buildings which we have just been to right in the background. So Mandu is it's not as well known as say places in Rajasthan like Udaipur, Jodhpur, Jaipur are known, but I think it's equally beautiful and very interesting. Some of the places which we just saw, like the Dilabar Khan Mosque and one particularly interesting place, an open air auditorium which was constructed by the Sultan. Very interesting places indeed, very nice. So here we are at Mandu. We hope to see some more places, but our guide tells us that 60% of all the places worth seeing in Mandu happen to be located here in this complex of Jahaz Mahal. So I'll introduce you to our guide, Mr. Muhammad Qureshi. Qureshi Sahab, Assalamu alaikum once again. हाँ, अपना ज़रा मोबाइल नंबर फिर से बोल दीजिए, आप इतने अच्छे गाइड हैं, सबके लिए रहेगा।
मेरा मोबाइल नंबर है 7748072889।
7748072889। बहुत ही बढ़िया है। कुरैशी साहब की सबसे अच्छी बात जो मुझे लगी, ही इज़ नो डाउट ही इज़ एन एक्सपर्ट गाइड, ही नोज लॉट अबाउट दिस प्लेस, but he loves his job, he loves this place, he is really very fond of all, and he finds fault with some of the things which the current experts or in the ASI are doing to this building. He has some ideas that how this monument can be better preserved. So you like to hear from a person who is literally in love with the job which he is doing and the buildings which he is showing. Yes, he is waiting for my children and my other family members. Most of my brothers, sisters, they live abroad. Eldest sister in England, and our other 4 brothers and 1 sister's family living in Canada. So they keep on visiting India, and they ask me which are the places to be seen. So I'll recommend them Mandu, and also make them in touch with you, so that they can come and enjoy your.
I request you come to in the monsoon time.
In the monsoon time, yeah, we have come here in the month of early April. So at the moment the land is a little barren and brown and a little dry, but this is the Ghat area, like the Ghats of Maharashtra. I'm told it's very green, very green and pretty during the monsoon period. So ideal time to come will be August, September or October. But right now the advantage is that there is no rush. So the entire Jahaz Mahal complex is open only to us. There are not many tourists around, very few people. So we are loving it. So a visit to Mandu.